Alright guys, welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. Today we're doing a video for a channel called Pink Camera Magic. This channel used to be called It's That Magic You Crave. She was actually recording police before I started. So I definitely want to highlight her channel. I'd like to see her subscribers go up. She's been doing something that I've been doing as well, and that's reaching out to you guys, letting you guys know that if you have any videos that you want us to share on our channels, you can email us your links and let us review them from there. That way we could send people over to your channel to go subscribe to you. Or if you want to stay anonymous, you can send us your videos and let us know. I'd like to stay anonymous and we will do that for you. In this video, Pink Camera Magic was sent this exclusive video to her email. So definitely go subscribe to her. I'm going to show you guys a clip of this video. People out there are watching our channels and they're learning and understanding their rights. How important is that, folks? A lot of times somebody comes across our channels and they may not like and see what they hear, so they turn away from it. That's bad, and I'll tell you why. It's back to blue until it happens to you, folks. A lot of people are supportive of police, and I gotta tell you guys, so am I. I'm supportive of good police. But a lot of times we're out there seeing police officers using that badge and that gun and trying to instill fear into the people and going out of their way to violate somebody's rights. That, folks, cannot happen in this country. This is a free country, and cops are always using some kind of verbiage or terminology so that you guys could just go ahead and give up your rights. And I gotta tell you guys, they are not violating your rights. You give them permission to. A lot of folks don't understand this. There was a video that I saw where these guys got busted with a bunch of pounds of cocaine in their car. Now look, was it good policing that they got these guys off the streets? Maybe, but these guys would have never gotten arrested if they would have told the cop, no, you cannot search my car. And there wasn't even a dog there. So if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. Those guys are now sitting in prison. Do they deserve it? I don't know. What I do know is that you don't deserve your rights to be violated. Yesterday I asked an officer if it makes their job hard for the citizens to know their rights. And he kind of like looked down and he was like, no, it's actually not really making his job hard. It's actually making it easier. On the report, all he has to say is, hey, I asked the man for his name, his identification. I asked him for his address. I even asked him for his social security number. Those of you out there who think I'm crazy, their videos are out there. Police are actually asking you for your social security number. You're not supposed to give that number away to anybody. Okay, with that being said, guys, check out this clip. Go subscribe to Pink Camera Magic. Let her know I sent you. Here we go. Let's check this out.
I don't want to hear it anymore.
All right, it's not your choice. So what I'm telling you, I've told you this before. You're not free to go, man.
What crime have I committed?
Stay right here.
What crime? Don't touch me.
Right
don't touch me.
Okay,
Get your hands off me.
You're not listening to anything I'm telling you.
Because you're wrong.
No,
it's my First Amendment right.
This is the same thing I've explained to you on 85. So everything that you take, photographs of the crime scene, videos, is subject to subpoena.
All right, what crime have I committed?
Okay, I'm not telling
me.
you committed a crime. I'm explaining you're not free to go.
Okay, so you don't have the right to detain me.
Actually, I do. Actually, I do.
I haven't committed a crime.
Yeah, it's not a crime.
Look how aggressive the officer is. He's acting like he's 100% for sure that he can arrest the guy just to get his ID. Unbelievable, folks. Keep in mind that their superiors are telling them these things, that they're allowed to do this. If they wouldn't be telling these officers, briefing them when they come into work and telling them, run as many people as you can through the system. Let's try and get as many criminals off the streets as possible. What that means, folks, is they're willing to run you through the ringer in order to find a bad guy. That's a problem, folks. They're gonna search you. They're gonna search your ID. You may have a warrant that you don't even know about. Some kind of traffic infraction. Maybe you lent your car out and they ran a red light on accident. You got a ticket that you didn't know about. I mean, things happen all the time, folks. Keep watching.
It's going to be obstruction.
It's my First Amendment. No, I'm on public property.
Let me
It's
see your ID.
my First Amendment right.
Let me see your ID.
I'm not. No. You get your supervisor here. Who's your supervisor?
He's right over there.
All right, get your supervisor,
I'm
please.
identifying you.
Okay, no. I want to see your supervisor. I want to talk to your supervisor.
Man, listen.
I want to talk to your supervisor.
The supervisor is busy.
Talk to me, man. Listen. Like this officer's gonna do any better than the other one. A lot of times we see these officers step in and they don't fix situations. They're just going to back up their partners no matter what. Hey, I'm here to violate your rights too, guys. Come on.
Man,
Okay,
there's a big
well, leave
thing
me
going,
alone. It's my
right?
First Amendment right. We're in the United States of America. I have not broken the law. I'm on public property.
Okay,
I'm not interfering
sir,
with your crime
sir,
scene.
Can you stop talking and listen just for a couple of seconds, okay? As this officer is trying to explain, all right? When somebody's taking photographs, stuff like that, it may have to be used in court at a later time, man. That's the only thing. We're not trying to get you in trouble. We're not trying to hem you up. Not upset that you're recording or taking pictures, man. All we want to do is just have you identified. That way, if this goes before a court or whatever, they know that you were out here and know that you may have a picture that's going to help them solve this crime, dude. That's it.
Okay, you
That's
have,
all it is.
first of all, you have plenty of surveillance and everything of whatever happened. Second of all, if you, whatever you need from my footage, my camera, you need a subpoena or a warrant for that.
Right,
Well,
and that's perfectly
exactly what I
fine.
explained
That's
to you.
why we're not trying to
Okay,
take your
so
camera
you
or
don't need
anything.
my ID for
But
that.
listen,
You need to go to the proper authorities,
hang
to
on
the
a second.
judge or the magistrate to go
Sir,
get a
sir,
warrant.
if you walk away, how are we supposed to know who you are to
Okay,
be able to
well,
get your camera or any footage
this
at
my
a later point
okay.
in time?
Right now, you're not gonna
That's
violate
it.
my Fourth Amendment right of
we're not
seizing
violating
my ID or my
We're not seizing
identification
anything.
where I
What's your name?
have not committed a crime,
What's your name?
sir. I
But
do
by
not.
not giving us your name, you're delaying
is.
our investigation.
If I have not committed a crime, I don't have to. I'm not required to.
These officers are allowed to lie via the Supreme Court. Did you hear what he just said?
Identification where I
What's your
have
name?
not committed a crime,
What's your name?
sir. I
But
do
by
not.
not giving us your name, you're delaying
is.
our investigation.
If I have not committed a crime,
By not giving us your name, you're delaying our investigation. Keep in mind that during their investigation, they're allowed to lie. Are they lying here? My guess is yes.
I don't have to. I'm not required to identify myself right
That is
now.
a
Resist
misdemeanor,
delay of
No, no, I'm not required to identify myself right now because I have not committed a
I've
crime.
already explained to you
Oh my
why you're here.
gosh.
Okay? So
What's
it's
your name?
simple.
What's your name and badge number?
Right here, Officer Maddox, CMPD 6161.
Okay.
So all I need
Because I
right-
don't appreciate you touching me.
Well, I've told you several times to
I'm not
stop.
executing
It's
my
an-
First Amendment
it's an
right.
Investigative detention has nothing to do with that. So all I'm explaining to you is, what you already reiterated, I just need your information. First name, last name, date of birth.
That's it,
Point of
man.
contact, that's it.
I don't
we can
need to
all
give
go
you
on.
any
when
of
this
that.
goes to the district attorney's office,
You don't
and they
need
just
any
look
of
at my
this.
BWC
I'm a near bystander. You don't need any of my footage.
When
You
you're
have
taking
everything.
photo-
You have everything I have.
Explain it to you. Okay, when you're taking
Okay,
photographs
you're-
of the whole
Yeah,
crime
we don't know who
scene,
you are.
they're gonna.
You don't need to know who I am. Nobody here. I don't have anything. I wasn't here when the crime
I'm
occurred.
not trying to take you downtown.
Okay, the guy was in the stretcher before I got here. Already loaded up in the ambulance. Just nothing here.
Let me ask you guys something. The officer that's standing over there on the side, the woman officer, she's just sitting there, standing there watching what's going on. Why isn't she stepping in? Why isn't she fixing the situation? Why isn't she stopping these two officers from bullying this man and demanding ID in the form of a question? They are doing it in a threatening manner. They're basically lying to this guy, saying they could take him in, yada, 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 this and that. It's a investigatory detention. This is insane, folks. Officers are teaching other officers how to be bad officers. We get this in the comment section a lot. There are no good officers. If there were good officers, where are you at? Why aren't you standing up for the people's rights? The rights that you swore an oath to uphold.
That I have of the crime. I was not here when the crime was
That's
committed.
awesome. So all I do
So you don't need my footage.
No. So what I
We're
do
not
is
asking for your
I
footage,
type
man. We're
in the
asking
narrative
for
so
your
the district
name. That's
attorneys
it.
know.
You don't
that I
need
talked-
my. I don't need to. All these people here filming, and you try to point me out, try to single me
because
out.
you
I have
were
not
right there
committed a
beside
crime.
me.
I was
That's why I started talking to you.
outside of the crime scene on public property.
That's fine. Taking
I'm
a
on a
picture.
public sidewalk right now.
All right. So we can see his face. We know. We'll figure it out.
I'm out of here, man. And I'm gonna write your ass up too.
Have a great night.
Have a great night, they say. Really, after they try to ruin after they try to ruin his night, demand ID, make him give up his Fourth Amendment rights. You see, folks, it was a bluff. They were lying the whole time. They cannot demand his name and his information or his video. They do have to have a warrant for that stuff. Folks, this man did an outstanding job. An outstanding job. He gets a 10 out of 10 in this here audit the audit video, right? So what we want to do is highlight videos and let people know exactly what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong. In my opinion, this guy did absolutely everything correct. He let the cops know that he had rights, and he made the cops tuck tail and leave. Outstanding work. Also, outstanding work by Pink Camera Magic for reaching out to her subscribers, letting all of you guys know that you guys could send videos to her channel and her email. Her email is it's that magic you crave at gmail.com. Make sure you guys go. Actually, we have her email at the beginning. Let's hear that really quick, guys.
Camera Magic here. Welcome to my channel. This video was sent to me anonymously through my email at itsthatmagicyoucrave@gmail.com. If you have any videos of police interactions that you'd like to have showcased on my channel, go ahead and send me an email. We'll go ahead and take a look for it and review it to see if we can feature it. But wait till you see this video, guys.
Outstanding work, Pink Camera Magic. I remember when your channel was actually called It's That Magic You Crave. Good work. Down 5 years later since I started my channel, guys, this is what I like to see. Folks helping out other folks. Kudos to you. Make sure you guys send her your videos if you'd like. You guys can send them to me as well. recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. We'll highlight it. If it's worthy enough, if it's educational enough. We do want to get you guys subscribers, because I do, and a lot of you guys send us videos. A lot of you guys send me some videos. Some of these videos are very lackluster in content. It's hard for me to highlight these videos because people just won't go subscribe. And my subscriber count will actually keep going down if I highlight videos that are not too impressive or educational enough. Or maybe just the cop is acting stupid enough. I mean, when cops act stupid, our numbers go up. So keep in mind, officers, those police officers that are out there, the more stupid that you act in front of the camera, you guys make our channels grow. So keep that in mind. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you to Pink Camera Magic for highlighting this video for this awesome man who did this awesome video. This video comes out to you out of Charlotte, Mecklenburg. I don't know where the hell that's at, but some of you guys do. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will see you guys on the next video. Peace.